What's happening, y'all? This is Brian once again from Alabama 365, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set up live chat on your website for free. And we're going to use a tool called Jivochat. It's a free tool that you can have on your website. It's pretty powerful, has a lot of features. So let me walk you through it. So right now we have this is our test Bosscart website, little yoga site. And so if we want to install something like live chat, we need to get access to the code in the header code in the header section of the website. So to do that, we go to website settings, we go up to custom code, and then we want to go into the header because we want it to load pretty early in the process of the page load. So first let's take a look. So we have global custom code, and then we have page only custom code. So page only code will add the code that you put in this area to the specific page that you're on, that you're editing at the time. So if you want, for example, for this live chat, if we only wanted it on the checkout page, for example, to answer questions, then we would go to that page and then click the settings and then add the body, the head markup, and then add the code here. But for live chat, for this example, we want it all over the website. So no matter where they are, you have access to getting in touch with us instantly. So we're gonna go to the custom head markup, and then we're gonna add our code for our live chat here. So let's take a look at Jivochat. Jivochat basically is a great way to combine all of your communications channels into one central inbox, so that you and your team can basically be on the same page with customers that are visiting your website and their needs. So as you can see here, you can add live chat. They've got a callback button feature where people can request a callback from your website and they can get in touch with you within 20 seconds. You've got a central email inbox, so you don't have to fool with different email accounts and apps. You have everything centralized in one place. You have telephony or telephony. I actually have never heard anyone say this word out loud, so I don't know how to say it basically. But basically you can sign up for a number, and you can have this number on your website, and when people call it, it comes through Jivochat. It comes through the app, as opposed to coming through a phone number and you not knowing where the call is coming from, right? Then we have Apple Business Chat, which I have never seen before, so this is brand new to me, and it looks like it's brand new, period. So that's connected. We've also got Facebook Messenger, so people can message your Facebook page, and it'll come through Jivochat. And also Telegram, which is pretty cool, especially in the cryptocurrency space. It's a private messenger app. And so this is kind of like a screenshot of what the inbox will look like. So you'll have a ton of different messages from a ton of different apps, but it's all centralized right here. And we'll get to that in a second. But so the pricing is really simple. There's only one paid plan. It's $13 per month per agent or per seat, if billed annually, right? And you get a 2-week free trial of the professional version when you sign up for a free plan, a basic plan. And the basic plan, for many of you, it could be the only thing you ever need. You get up to 5 agents, which is more than most other platforms, and it's free forever. Unlimited chats and websites, so you can have it to as many websites as you want. You get the desktop app that you can download to your desktop. You get the mobile app that you can use on the move, and you get the browser agent that I'm going to walk you through in a second, that you can access from your computer online. And it looks like you have 2-month chat history storage. Now the chat in 20 different languages, it actually has a translator that's built in, which is cool. So if you have an international market and people come to your website talking in different languages, there's a translator right there. I don't know how strong it is because I've never tested it, but it's there, and I'm pretty sure it's better than not having it all, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the app. So when you log into the app, after you sign up, this is kind of like where all of the messages will come in. And right now it's empty, so because I don't have anything coming in yet. And as you can see, these are the different apps that you can download so that you can have access natively on whatever devices that you're using. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to install Jivochat to our new yoga website. So we're going to go down here to the bottom left to manage. We're going to add a new channel. And here you can see the different types of channels you can set up. So we have live chat for the website. We have a business phone we can set up, which you would buy a number and you pay per minute with that. And then we have team info, email. So it's a unified inbox that everyone can have access to, and really just streamlines the whole email process. And you have a callback request button that we can add, so people can request to have you call them while they're on the website. And then we also have Facebook, Viber, Telegram, SDK. If you're building a mobile app, you want to have this live chat within inside of your app. That's possible. Apple Business, and it looks like WhatsApp I guess it's coming soon. I don't know, because you can't click it at all. But these are the messenger options, and then Apple Business. Like I said, I didn't know that existed. So that's there. But what we're going to add is live chat. So we're going to click live chat for the website. We're going to add a website. Then we're going to go back to our demo site. We're going to copy the URL. Enter it here, website address, English. It's just going to assign all agents to this website. If you have more than one website, maybe more than one business, and you had particular team members that are managing particular businesses or websites, you would deselect that and just manually add those agents to those specific websites. But we're just going to click all agents, add website. It's taking us to our installation section. So for Bosscart, it's not listed here, so we're just going to copy this code here, and then we're going to go back to our custom head markup, click in there, hit Control V to paste it, and then click save, and then it's pretty much good to go. So we're going to exit out of here. We're going to go back to our inbox, which is in the top left. We're going to click and make sure that we're online, because if we're not online, it won't come through here. So we're online. So let's go back to our website. We're going to click the preview, open a new tab. Let's see if it works. Wow. Check us out. Chat with us, we're online. So we're working. So we're going to go ahead and send a message in. These can be edited within the back end of Jivochat, but we're just going to put, "Hi, I need some assistance." And I'm going to introduce myself as basic user. That's my name. Email, just put Big MIDI board music. Please help. Not sure if this is working. So chat was sent. Now you don't see this because it's on another screen, but I actually get a desktop notification of a new chat that came in. And also you can see up here the favicon has a notification of a 1 there, which means a chat came through. So we're going to go back to our inbox, and then here you have it. We have somebody's here from South Elgin. He's on this page, the About page, and it looks like it's the only page they've been on. And so we can chat. We can accept the chat or we can reject it. So if we accepted it, "Hi, basic. What exactly can I help you with?" And then we go back to our website, And there we go. We've got our live chat set up. Customer service. And then all this can be customized. It looks like it can be expanded to take up as much or as little space as they want. So that's how it works. It's really that simple. And this would come through the mobile app. This would come through the desktop app. And you can customize your chat widget. If you go to manage, you can take a look at channels. Go down to this one, settings, and you can design. And here you can customize how the chat widget actually looks. So you can do the color of the chat window, the visitor message color, the callback button color, which would be this right here. Say we made that blue. We could do the position. We'll move it over to the right sidebar so it's not covering up that. Hit save. And then we'll go back to our website. Hit refresh. See what happens if we close it. Well, maybe it's too late. They already. Well, what if I went to incognito window? Let that load for a second. It's taking 95 years to load. And there you have it. There's our live chat that's popped up on the side. So as you can see, you can customize how this looks, change the colors and all that. So yeah, there you go. So that's how you add live chat to your website. I'll add a link to it in the description, and you can sign up for free. It's free forever, and that's what we're going to be using on a lot of our websites. It's pretty dope, very easy to use. So anyway, if you have any questions, have any issues, leave a comment below. If you got some value from this, if you learned something, just hit that like button, subscribe, and I will holler at y'all later. Peace.